going to make a balloon inflate experiment with Clarissa and with Lexi. First, we need the bottle, then vinegar. If you want, you can use food coloring. Then use a funnel. And the baking soda. That's glass. And balloons. Since there's two, we're going to make two. One of them will have more baking soda. The other one will have less baking soda. Let's start. We are going to pour the vinegar. Mostly hard to get. Here. Let's pour it. That is kind of long. Okay, now we're going to add some food coloring.
1 drop only.
You only must do 1 drop. Then, now we mix.
Just spin the bottle.
We're just going to spin the bottle a little bit. Now, we're going to pour the baking soda into the balloon.
You finished.
Okay. Now we're going to pour in the baking soda. Since the funnel is now put in.
Put the balloon and squeeze it tight.
Yeah.
2 full scoops?
I want big.
1, 2,
Maybe 4.
4 is the other one.
3 scoops.
2, 3, 3rd scoop. Now you have to make sure that all the baking soda goes in before we put it.
Okay.
Be careful when you get it all.
Be careful when you put the balloon on the bottle's lid. Now we're going to pour the baking soda with the vinegar. Let's see what happens. It's becoming a balloon. Whoa! It's bigger than ever.
Oh my goodness!
Look how much baking soda they.
The vinegar, the blue foams look like soda. Yum.
Yeah. Are they making you mega hungry?
Of course. Actually.
I made a hand. We made a giant balloon. Let's see if it's done. It is done. Wow, and it's also cold.
Is it cold?
Yeah, touch the bottle. I'll hold it.
Ooh, it's cold.
Now, we're going to make the second one. Which, of course, we're going to pour more baking soda. Let's start.
Careful. Just dump it in.
I'm dumping it in. Now, we're going to add 6 baking soda this time. Let's do it!
Oh my goodness.
Be careful! Watch your back!
I'm scared it's gonna explode.
That's why I said watch your back.
I'm the one holding it! Is it still going?
Yeah, it's still going.
I feel like this is bigger than this one.
No, that one is bigger.
Pearl, vinegar, I mean the baking soda one. I think it's good. Well, it's not getting any bigger.
Let me. So the conclusion is, if you pour baking soda and vinegar, they'll make gas. The gas transfers to the balloon, and the balloon makes air. So that's the conclusion. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Bye. Gas inside the balloon is
Carbon dioxide. Okay.
I want to.
So first, take the balloon and trap the carbon dioxide into the container. Oh, ew. Okay. Okay, now quickly pour in. Don't fight, otherwise the carbon dioxide might not be. See? Doesn't work. Semuanya sudah keluar. Aduh.
Let's see though.
One each. So it's Lexi's turn. Lexi, come on. Quickly.
Now your turn.
And the rest of the carbon dioxide in. Now it's mine.
Oh no! It smells like bacon. So the carbon dioxide will put out the fire. Bye.
Cool.